How to remove someone from Life360. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can remove someone from Life360. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove someone from Life360, first of all, let's say you have got a circle on Life360. From the very top, first of all, make sure that you select the correct circle from which you want to remove the people, right? Once you do that, tap on the gear icon from the top left hand side of the screen here. Then from there you'll find an option that says circle management. So just tap on the circle management option. Then just select delete circle members and then tap on it. From here you'll find a list of people that you want to remove. Select those people, tap on delete, tap on yes, and those people will get successfully removed from your Life360 circle. This way you will be able to remove someone from Life360. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.